Namaste, myself Dr. Pushpa Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Homeopathy Pharmacy, Faculty of Homeopathy Science at Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. Today's the topic is the preparation of drug substance under the class 7th to 9th, and it is given by the Master Hanimanan in the preparation of old method. And let's start the topic. Preparation of mother substance. Definition. Mother substance is defined as the drug pharmaceutical prepared from a drug substance which are insoluble in liquid vehicle and prepared by the process of trituration with sugar of milk. Mother substance is represented as a zero, and in this category the class 7th, 8th and 9th are included. It means that in this class the trituration, the potencies of trituration is included. In the seventh class, seventh class, this class includes dry medicinal substances which are in their crude state, are neither soluble in purified water nor in alcohol. The fundamental rule of this class has been described by Hahnemann's Materia Medica Pura under the drug arsenicum. Trituration of preparation of mother substance. Uh, the principle given by Master Hahnemann, like one part by weight of medicinal substance and 99 part of in centesimal scale or 9 part of in decimal scale by weight of sugar or of milk given in for first trituration. Required material like required amount of food drug substance, required amount of sugar of milk, apparatus like unglassed porcelain, mortar and pestle, spatula, empty clean pial, paste, scissors, gums, and etc. Procedure. In the centesimal scale, 8 1 part of weight of medicinal substance and 99 part of weight of sugar of milk is divided into three parts, and and the triturate process for 1 hour, and we get the first potency. Conversion of trituration into liquid potency in centesimal scale, we with the in the uh, through the liquid potency we get the for 4C potency. We 1 grain of third 3C and dissolve in 50 minimums of the purified water and then mix with the 50 minimums of alcohol. And after this process with the 4C potency is ready. Decimal scale for 8x potency, take 1 grain of 6x trituration, dissolve in 50 minimums of purified water and then mix with the 50 minimums of alcohol, and 8x potency is ready. Some examples are under the class 7 like Alosocotrina, Coffea, Crotus sativus, Ignitia, Naxomica, Cantharis, Carboanimelis, Corallium, Sepia, Spongia, benzoic acid, boric acid, paramate, iodine, chromium, and let's study with the class 8. Class 8 includes the medicinal substances which are neither soluble in purified water nor in alcohol. They are subjected to the trituration with the sugar of milk. And this drug is described in chronic disease under the drug petroleum. Trituration for the preparation of mother substance, take 1 part by weight of medicinal substance or 99 parts of by weight of sugar of milk give the first trituration of centesimal scale. Required material like drug substance, alcohol or apparatus. Same as a class 7. In the class 8, the same process of trituration is uh, in the given above the class like class 7, but some points are differ from the class 10. Like that, the in decimal scale 99 part of sugar milk is taken to prepare the medicine, but it should not divided into three equal parts. Uh, means we take the 9 part of sugar of milk is at one time because of oily substance and vehicle. Some examples are class 8 like Lycinum, Crotalus horridus, Bifurana, Crotonticulum, and we study the class 9. This class deals with the preparation of medicine from vegetable and animal substance by trituration in solid form. The fundamental rule of this class has been discussed in the chronic disease under the Acaricus drug substance. We take the 2 parts of weight of medicinal substance is triturated with 99 parts of by weight of sugar of milk for produce a 1C potency. In this class, we take the 2 parts of the medicinal substance because of the some loss in the during the trituration. So we take the 2 parts of the drug. Some examples in the class 9 like anacardium, agaricus, blatta americana, antheris, melendrium, medorinum, Ciclinum, etc. Hope you all understand all these classes in the under the old method. Namaste.